Let me show you how simple invoice generation is in DocuProjects CRM. Everything starts from the deal. Once a deal is successfully closed, the salesperson, or whoever is managing that deal, simply marks it as won. This step is important because it ensures that only confirmed business moves forward for invoicing. So finance teams always work with clean, verified data. Now, as soon as the deal is marked as won, the system automatically makes it available for invoicing. There's no need to manually enter any details, no duplication, and no back and forth between teams. The finance team can now navigate to the Invoices module and click on Generate Invoice. Here, all eligible deals are already listed. The user just needs to click on Generate Invoice. That's it. With a single click, the invoice is created instantly. The system also deducts 1 credit, making it a simple pay-as-you-use model. No subscriptions, no complexity. Just pay for what you use. What's happening in the background is even more powerful. The system ensures that invoices are only generated for valid scenarios, meaning the deal must be won and the quote must already be finalized. This keeps your financial data clean, structured, and audit-ready at all times. Once the invoice is generated, it automatically appears under Receivables in draft mode. From here, the user can open the invoice, review all the details, and make sure everything looks correct before sending it to the customer. To finalize the invoice, the user simply sets a due date. It could be 7 days, 10 days, 30 days, depending on your business terms. The moment the due date is selected, the system automatically finalizes the invoice. There's no separate action required, which makes the process very intuitive. Now, the invoice is ready. From the Finalize section, the user can either send the invoice directly to the customer through the system or download it as a PDF and share it manually. Everything is built in, so there's no need to use external tools. And this is where it gets even better. Once the invoice is sent, the system can automatically take care of reminders. So instead of manually following up with customers, your team can rely on automated reminders to ensure timely payments. This not only saves time, but also improves your cash flow and reduces the chances of missed follow-ups. So, if you look at the entire flow, sales closes the deal, finance generates the invoice in 1 click, reviews it, sets the due date, sends it out, and the system handles reminders. Everything is connected in one seamless process. No manual work, no duplication, no confusion. Just a simple, fast, and efficient way to manage your entire invoicing cycle. That's the power of DocuProjects. Once an invoice has been sent to the customer, the next step is to update its status based on the payment. To do this, navigate to the Invoices module and then go to Receivables. Here, you will see all your invoices categorized under different filters like draft, finalized, paid, and canceled. Now, open the invoice that you want to update. If the customer has completed the payment, simply click on the mark as Paid option. The system will instantly update the status to Paid, and this invoice will move to the Paid section. This helps you keep a clear track of all collected revenue. In case the invoice needs to be canceled, for example, due to a deal cancellation or correction, you can click on the Cancel Invoice option. Once canceled, the invoice is locked and moved to the Canceled section, ensuring that no further changes can be made. This way, you always have a clear and accurate view of which invoices are paid, which are active, and which are canceled, helping finance and management stay completely in control.